Now I'm doing my assessment. I've got my client today, Kathy. So today I'm going to be measuring her blood pressure. So obviously we've got a blood pressure monitor, and it's a manual one that I'm going to be using, right? So obviously I need to make sure that she's well rested, and then the arm as well is on the right position. That's why I'm holding it steady. And then I'm going to make sure that this part is closed, so I can do the pump and also check. It must be up to 180, and then I'm going to release it to check, right? So here we go. Right. So what we found is that for the measurement of 120, that's systolic, and systolic it's 80. So here we're gonna be measuring the heart rate. So we're gonna use a timer for 10 seconds, and then we're gonna calculate the number of beats that we had in 15 seconds and multiply by 4. So now we're gonna say 4 times the number of beats, which is 12, and then that gives us a total of 48, which is normal. So now we're going to be doing a BMI test. So that's going to be kgs over height, right? So unfortunately at this point we don't have a scale, but then she went to the bathroom, and then she discovered that her weight is 65 kgs, and then her height it's that's 1.58. So we're gonna say 65 kgs divided by 1.58 squared. That's gonna give us BMI of 26.03. And then here we go again. We're gonna be doing 6 skin fold, which is gonna be the tricep, subscapular, abs, thighs, calf, and sacroiliac. So on that one, I'm gonna start with the thigh, so we can get the right measurement. Alright, so on the thighs, we've got that's 47, and then we're gonna do calf. And then on calf, we've got 28. And then now we're going to go to triceps. And then on triceps, we've got 20. And then now we're going to be doing the subscapular, right? Alright, so for subscapular, we've got 15. And then now we're going to be doing the sacroiliac. So it's going to be that gives us 15. And then the last part, it's going to be abs. So for abs, we've got a value of 70. So now with the formula that we have, we're going to add all of this and get a total. So as I calculate here, that gives me a value of 143. So now for percentage of body fat for ladies, that's going to be in brackets, open brackets, 0.1548 times the sum of all the 6 skin folds, which is 143 plus 3.580. Now that gives me a total percentage of body fat of 25.71, which is average. Alright, so now we're going to be assessing the posture. So first thing first, when we assess the posture, we must make sure that the shoulders are even. there shouldn't be much more of difference in terms of the balance of the shoulders. But then if you check, it looks like this part of the shoulder is a bit higher than this one, right? But then that's something that can still be fixed, because we can work on posture exercises that can help with that. And then now we're going to be checking the ears. So obviously ears must balance as well. This mustn't be bigger than the other one, this mustn't be bigger than the other one. But then as I see, everything is sharp. And then if you can check your chin as well, it's on the right posture. And then now I'm going to check a side, right? Then you can face that side. So on the side, obviously there must be a straight posture as well. She mustn't be moving forward, she mustn't be going backwards as well. But then if you check, just by looking at the posture on the side view, everything is even. Also this back, the torso view mustn't be legging forward or backwards, but then it must be in the right position. That is 100%. Now you can turn the other side. Back. Alright, so first thing first, obviously the back, we need to make sure that she's not tilted backwards, maybe forwards, but then she must be in the right or straight position. So obviously, if you can check, everything is sharp, and then also this part must also be balanced with our initial here. So as I move my hand on the other side and the other side, everything is well balanced. Another thing, when you're checking the back, you must make sure that the front part also is somehow similar to the back one, which I'm going to be talking about what? The ear part. This part mustn't be, and then also the shoulders as well. It must be in the right posture. But then as we said on the video, on the first one, when we did the side, the shoulders, you can see that this is a bit higher and then this is a bit lower, but then that still can be fixed for the right posture. Then other than that, everything is sharp. And then also, can you do that side as well? So I just want to do something. Last thing on the side one. I know that I already touched it, but then now if she looks that side, can you look that side? You can see that there's a direct proportion on the side posture. So everything is sharp. Yeah, so right now we're going to be doing flexibility test. Now you're going to be sitting in the right position, and then also you're going to come this way, and then we're going to check how far it goes right. That gives us a sum of 25. Another one.
Is it fine?
Yeah, do the last one. Perfect.
5.
Yes. 3, 2, 5. 4. Last one. 5. Set. That's 12.
Yeah.
So 8. Yeah, 48. 48. 65.
10 seconds away.
Check.
That's about 10 minutes.
I don't know.
1 minute 10 seconds.
Yeah. So I'm going to be explaining how she's going to be doing cardiovascular exercises. So we're going to do 2 cardiovascular exercises, a minute each, on those 2 videos. So on my side, I'm going to explain to you how to do that. So obviously, I'm going to demonstrate first, then she's going to do it, and then to make sure that everything is like by following what I've shown them. So first thing first, you're going to make sure that you stand in the right position, and then you feel comfortable, right? Make sure that you're comfortable. So one thing that we're going to do is that when you use your right arm, your right leg, sorry, you're going to touch with your right hand, So we're going to have a tempo in terms of how we're going to do that. So I'm going to start 1,
Yes,
2,
I'm having
3,
some trouble with
4,
my phone
5,
at the moment.
6.
Can you
Go
tell me
there.
why I want
I'm going to
that?
count to 20. Try it. Right, you face this way.
All right, thank you.
You face the couple. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all. Then breathe a bit, so at least you can relax. So now, that was it. We're going to be doing this. So obviously on jumping jacks, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then that's it. Got it right. In the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to be doing a PNF stretch exercise, right? So we're going to be engaging the hamstring. So first thing first that we're going to do, we're going to make sure that obviously she's in a well-relaxed position. You can see her legs jump. Your core is engaged as well. So we're going to stretch the legs and make them straight. Then one thing that I'm going to do is make sure that I'm going to take this leg and push it backwards towards the face and the core. And then we're going to make sure that there's going to be a contraction on the hamstring muscle that we're stretching, right? So I'm going to do it slowly. So this meant for contraction of the hamstring muscle, right? You're going to tell me now if you're going to be feeling the contraction, right? I'm going to be pushing it towards you and then you let me know. Can you feel it? Can you feel it now? How about now? She's flexible, man. Now? Yeah. Alright, now she can feel the contraction on the hamstring muscle as you can see here. So I'm going to count until 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm going to return it back slowly, and then alright, so here's the core exercise. As the guideline says that we're going to be doing one core exercise. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to do what? Sit-ups, right? So on your sit-ups, you must make sure that you engage your core, your back must be in the right position, and also your knees must be bent as well, right? So we're going to count until 10. So on those ones, you're going to also engage your arms so that you can have the right foundation when you go forward and backward. I've been doing a core exercise, so this is going to be what? Sit-ups. So obviously, you're going to make sure that your knees are bent in a position that makes you feel comfortable. And then another thing is that you're going to lay your back on the floor and then also engage your back and make sure that you're comfortable as well. So when you go up, as I explained on the video, you're going to be using your arms as well. As you move forward, your arms are going to go up. As you go backwards, your arms are going to go away. So that's it. You also make sure that you engage your core so that you can get the right movement and the right benefit of the exercise. In the count of 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, nice. 2, nice. 3, nice. 4, nice. 5, let's go. Those gonna be squats. I'm gonna show you how you're supposed to do your squats, and then do some samples for you, and then you're gonna come through. For me, what I prefer is that I need to make sure that my shoulders and my knees as well are in the right way, right? So I'm gonna grab the bar, and then position myself, make sure that I feel comfortable, and then get under the bar. So first thing that I'm gonna do is to position my legs, right? So your toes must be up out a bit, but then that depends on how you're gonna feel comfortable. Then I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, then do my squat. So as I go down, my back must always be in the right position. I mustn't move forward or backwards, right? And something. Alright, so Kate is gonna be doing the squat exercise. So first thing first, she's gonna grab the bar and then make sure that she feels comfortable in the right position. And then also make sure that both of her first, just gonna position your legs, right? There must be a good distance between your legs. Then just gonna open it, the toes a bit. That's the right position. Also, if you can check, back is in the right position. And also, it's gonna engage your core, right? So when you count 1, 2, 3, make sure that you do the full squat and then control the motion. Don't fall forward, don't fall backwards, but then focus on the motion, right? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Perfect. 1. You can see what's happening there. 3. Just give me 10. 4. Nice. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 7. So here we go again with another exercise for the lower body. So now we're going to be doing RDL with dumbbell. This is 6 kg. So first thing first, obviously as we started from other videos, is that you need to first position yourself and make sure that you're comfortable where you can do the exercise. So now, this exercise is going to be engaging the hamstring and also the glutes. So what you need to do right now is that you need to bend slightly while holding the dumbbell. Then also the downwards. You're going to feel contraction from your hamstrings and also the glutes. Just like that. Pause.
Let's go.
Yeah, should I explain?
It's fine. I get you did explain to her.
Nice. Alright, so here we go again. We're gonna be training the biceps. So we're gonna be doing bicep curls, right? First thing first, you must ensure that you're in the right position and then also hold the dumbbells. The chest must go out a bit so that you can also engage your arms when you're killing the biceps. So I'm just gonna do some few reps as a demonstration. You must squeeze the dumbbell at the top so that you can activate the biceps that you're exercising. Just like that. Squeeze at the top. Squeeze at the top. Squeeze at the top. Sharp. Squeeze at the top. Squeeze at the top. Squeeze. Nice. So here's another exercise for the upper body using the same dumbbells, 4 kgs. So now we're going to be doing arm press, which is going to activate the shoulders, right? So this is the first position that you must get before you can even start. Then you twist it at the top, bring it back. Twist it at the top, bring it back. 1, 2, 3, let's go.